Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. We spent the week in Las Vegas at CES 2020 to find out what's new in smart home technology, and we wanted to bring our experience to you.
Let's hear what one company had to say.
Hi, I'm David Steele. I work for Alfred International. We're out of Toronto, Canada. It's our second year at CES, and we're featured here in the Z-Wave booth. So this is the Alfred line of smart home locks. This one here is designed for deadbolt applications. And over here we have one for mortise lock applications. As you see, it comes in two versions, one straight pin pad, and you can also get it with a very nice key override if you want, which is totally hidden. So you can use pin, you can use Bluetooth, you can use a key, and you can add it to your smart home application with the Z-Wave module, or you can add it to your smart home assistant with our Wi-Fi bridge. So Google and Alexa can work via our Wi-Fi bridge. On our mortise lock version, which is for multifamily or higher end homes, you can also use a MyFair RFID card. So if you've got a base building system, when you use the garage and the parking lot and the gymnasium, you can use the same fob on your apartment as well.
Thanks for joining us here in Las Vegas for CES 2020.
We've included more information about the company we visited and their products in the description box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appmyhome.com. Thank you.
Thank you.